Hello, welcome to Asiash Handmade channel. We are here with the 17th video of the Let's Crochet Together series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a front post double crochet, also known as FPdc. A front post double crochet is worked around the post of the stitch, instead of into the top loops. This creates a beautiful raised texture, perfect for cables, ribbing, and many textured patterns. Let's get started. First, yarn over once. Insert your hook from front to back to front again, around the post of the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again, and pull through the remaining 2 loops. And that's your front post double crochet. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook around the post from front to back to front, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat these steps across your row whenever the pattern calls for FPdc. I made this 3D snowflake with FPdc. You can find full pattern on my Etsy shop. Link in the description. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more crochet tutorials.